Good morning everyone, Kev Ryder here. Do you know what? 2018 is one of the most exciting years so far. I can't believe how excited we are going into this year, having left such a turbulent year behind us. It's really exciting that the platform is set, the future is laid, that the online side of the business is looking amazing. Rob Foster stood on that stage at the showcase and showed the kind of jumps that he's had in this business. And what excited me about that is that people are having those kind of jumps today. People are building fantastic businesses. Look at Nicky Carewood, okay, 2 years in the business, income's over £3,000 a month. Look at Chris and Claire Kinsella doing absolutely amazing with their business. Been in the business 5 years, but in the last 3 years had growth that they've never seen before. Look at Jennifer Sinner, 3 years in the business, and in her second year earned over £55,000 income alongside working 60 hours a week in a job. This was all done online, guys, all done online, which is absolutely amazing. And it's online that's going to take us over the water into Europe. Catalogues are absolutely fantastic here in the UK, and they will so build your business. If you need income quick, get hold of those catalogues, get them out into people's houses and start making money. But if you're in a network marketing business and you want to build a quick residual income, then you need to know how to do online. You need to know how to teach online, you need to know how to show other people to do online, and you certainly need the knowledge of how to do it yourself. Okay, it doesn't mean you have to do it. If you're doing catalogues, that's absolutely fantastic. I'm catalogues myself, but Becky is fully online, and last year we sponsored 72 people into the business. And the majority of those people were sponsored online, and the majority of them we didn't even speak to until after they joined. So if you want to learn how to do online, if you want the opportunity to be able to sponsor 72 people or more next year, if you want the opportunity to be like Nicky Carewood, Chris and Claire Kinsella, Jennifer Sinner, Becky and myself, and people like that who are building fantastic businesses, not only with the catalogues but online too, and you just want to come and find out if you can do it for yourself, find out what's going on, find out, is there any secrets? There is no secrets. That's why we're running these workshops. We're happy to teach you everything we know, because we want the company of Clean Easy to be successful. If the Clean Easy company is successful, then you're successful, and more people will join us, because the name will be out there as one of the best opportunities in the world. In the world, not just the UK, guys, in the world. And the only way we're going to take it to the world is if we can get across that water, and online, social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and all the rest are the way we're going to do that, guys. Okay, so our first social media workshop is on the 4th of February. That's Sunday the 4th of February. They're £12.50 a ticket. You can book through the bevinc.co.uk website, click on workshops, and you can book a ticket there, guys. It's an absolute bargain for a day's training, okay, £12.50 for a full day's training, absolutely awesome. And then you can take what you learn, teach it to your teams, implement it into your business, and you can make an absolute fortune if you apply what we teach. We go into depth on branding yourself. We show you how to create your own website to send out to prospects so that you're not using someone else's URL. We show you how to get people started. We show you all sorts of stuff through these Bevinc workshops. So if you want to find out a little bit more, if you just want that extra bit of information that maybe you're not getting somewhere else, if you just want someone to talk to, converse with, face to face in an actual room with your laptop in front of you where you can ask questions, then please come along to our workshops, because people are absolutely raving about them. The ones that have been think they're absolutely amazing. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the testimonials on the website, see what other people have to say, and like I say, book in now at www.bevinc.co.uk. The first workshop is Sunday the 4th of February. Look forward to seeing you there, and look forward to sharing in your success as your business booms over the internet. The motto for Bevinc is learn, develop and grow. And finally, just do it.